Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of graphing on the coordinate plane. This is standard 5.8c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 22, which is a new item type called graphing, of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Jonathan's creating a pattern, multiplying each x coordinate by 2 to get the y coordinate. All right, so we need 2 points here, right? So I'm just going to click one just to show you that if you only clicked 1 point, right, you are going to get that error message. And if you click 2 points, you can't click a third. What you're just going to end up doing is you're just going to end up multiplying or just removing that second spot and just moving it around. So that's not going to work. And right, we can click and drag either of these. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we are trying to do here. We need to take any x coordinate and multiply it by 2. All right, so it says, let me show this, see if I can represent this in a mathematical equation. Multiply each x coordinate by 2, so that's x times 2 to get the y coordinate. To get that would be equal. All right, so that's going to, x times 2 equals y. Probably a little bit cleaner version of that might be y equals 2x. All right, so that's our pattern. So if we do that, well, let's just make a table. And let's just put some x coordinates, right? X goes up to 10. So let's just go 0. And I know 10 because it goes right there. And I'm just going to do whole numbers here. It does look like we can do half numbers, but let's just do wholes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how do I get my y? I double it. I double my x, so I do my x times 2. All right, so we're just going to do a times 2. And let's see, so 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so I see the pattern here, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 2 times 10, 20. All right. Well, I need to get rid of some of these answers simply because, take a look, my y axis only goes up to 10. So this is going to have to be my max, even though technically these are correct, right? These numbers would keep going forever and ever and ever. But what I have displayed in front of me is a 10 by 10. Okay, so it looks like any of these values could work. So let's just take a look at them. I could do a 0, 0, and 1, 2. So I'm going to take this first one, move it down to the origin, right? That's where the x and the y value meet. And then I would do the x of 1 and then double it to a y of 2. All right, so if I did that, that is one correct answer, right? That's the cool thing about this new item type graphing is there's a lot of correct answers here. I only need 2 points. I could also do 2, 4, and 3, 6, right? What I want to think of here is how do I translate these into actual ordered pairs, right? So this 2, 4 becomes 2, 4, and then the 3, 6 becomes 3, 6. So I could also do those two. So I could take this first one, I can move it to x of 2, y of 4, and I can move the second one, x of 3, y of 6. They don't have to be consecutive, right? You could skip like that, but any two numbers or any two coordinate pairs in this set right here is going to work.